Just amazing. This car has 14,000 miles. 2017 model in the awesome tungsten silver, which is a metallic silver. GTD Mark 7.5 with lots of extras. Today with the live price in this car's 21,990. With the DSG gearbox, the 184 brake horsepower, 5-door hatchback. This is a stunning car. The colour is amazing. The car is absolutely immaculate, starting from the front all the way inside to the rear, the wheels. It's just original. The car is beautiful. The 0.75 Mark model comes in with a more updated daytime running lights, the bigger bumpers with the grills, front and rear parking sensors. On this one, you've got a reversing camera, which has been fitted afterwards. And then you've got them beautiful, upgraded 19-inch Brescia alloy wheels. I say this all the time, but them wheels are probably the best wheels you can get on the Golf. The design pattern, the way they look, and the way they sit, it's just, under the arches, it just looks right. Diamond cut with the high gloss black. GTD badging. Remember, you get lots of miles per gallon. When they say it, the car sounds just like a Golf, the quality behind it is brilliant. It's just sturdy. Sun protection glass, and then your second biggest extra, the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. I've seen lots that are available, and they're about £2,000 cheap, if I'm honest with you. But they've got mega miles, they haven't got the wheels, and they haven't got the pan roof. So if I, for one, was looking for a Golf GTD, and I'm looking for a finance payment or a cash buyer, and my budget was just $19,990, I'd look at what this is offering you, because that lower mileage means so much more. It means there's less wear, and it'd be a better condition overall. But the wheels and the pan roof alone are worth the extra amount of money. You've got that lovely iconic GTD interior with that bucket style seating. The upholstery on it is beautiful, tartan in the midsection. You've got paddle shift, a flat bottom steering wheel. This one's then got the touchscreen media system with navigation, heated seats, dual zone climate control. And when I say the car's in immaculate condition, I am not exaggerating. Everything is just pristine. It's been so well looked after. Like I said, full service history, 2 keys. We then give you a full 12 months MOT with no advisories. Look at them back seats. I know it's every salesman's normal phrase, they've never been sat in, looks like brand new, but genuinely, it does look like it's brand new. You've got ISOFIX attachments, centre armrest in the back pops down, 3-point seat belts, that lovely boot lid spoiler there, LED rear lighting system with the LED sweeping dynamic rear indicators, which I'll show you, just in case you haven't seen one before. They just look super cool. Not a reason why you buy the car, but just how cool does that look? Aesthetically, it looks brilliant. The twin tailpipes, press the VW badge, and you've got yourself a very nice boot space there. Seats go down 40-40-20. The shelf pops out, so if you do have dogs or anything, they can climb in the back. It's absolutely safe. And then you have the double layered boot, so you've got the lower layer there, so it makes it deeper. Or you can store something underneath and then put that on the top. Just like that. There is a 12-volt socket in the back, so if you are going out camping and whatnot, you can utilise that. How cool is that? It's the colour, that tungsten silver is quite a rare, different colour. It looks good, suits the car. In here you've got the Mark 0.75 gives the full digital dash there. So you've got all that there. The cruise control with adaptive cruise, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. This is so easy to use. How easy is that? How quick is it? Everything's just on key, wherever you want to go. The dual zone climate control, different modes. So you've got eco, normal, sport or individual. If you go on individual, you can then change the different steering to sport, drive to sport or eco. You can configure it all to how you want it. Automatic hold and electric park handbrake just there. Armrest that lifts up and gives you more cubby hole space. It's amazing. Full leather GTD steering wheel. What a car. 21,990. Electric heated mirrors that also fold electronically. This is a stunning car, but remember key points, 14,000 miles, GTD, in a beautiful colour with a pan roof and the upgraded wheels. My name's Joe, my name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.